This is a Lenovo IdeaPad 330 laptop, and this laptop problem is charging LED is blinking for 3 times, and this laptop is not turning on, but it's not working. Okay, today I'll fix this problem very simple and easy way. Let's see what happened. And open all the screw from the button cover, and after that I will check. And here is some reason for doing this, and sometimes this problem comes from the battery, RAM and other thing. And I know that, and this laptop inbuilt RAM, okay, that is not removable. Let's see what happened. And here, as you can see, onboard RAM, and that is not possible to open. Okay, plug in the charger and let's see. And you can see this charger LED is blinking after 3 seconds and 3 times. Okay, this is the problem. Let's see, this is the processor, but this is not hitting. And there is the power button, not responding yet. Power is not turning on, and it is blinking. Okay, at first I will open the battery, laptop battery, and let's check this. And this, but charger LED is not blinking. Power also not turning on. Okay, let's check it. What is the happen? Okay, this is our motherboard. I clean the processor. I open the processor heatsink. Let's clean it. Here could be some problem. Okay, after drying this, I will use some thermal paste. Let's check it, what happened. The hard disk. Plug in the charger. Charger is plugged in. Cooling fan also is spinning. And check it, what happened and stop. And here is Windows is running. Okay, you can see the display. Windows is starting. Okay viewers, our problem is solved. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And you can see this Windows is starting. Okay.